The Dyna Pro windshield repair kit produces clearly better repairs, and here's why. The adjustable bridge speeds correct placement of the assembly. The injector is stainless steel. It's easy to clean and will last for years. The vertical resin filling port provides easy access on bus and semi-windshields. The large diameter injector opening allows for easy alignment even on large pit damage repairs. White O-rings won't produce dark reflections like black or red ones. A durable and simple to set suction base stays on the glass. A powerful, self-contained vacuum and pressure pump system speeds the repair process. A durable, fiberglass reinforced composite bridge. Rear stabilizers for curved surfaces. The best, fast wicking resins available, which produce clear repairs faster. The Dyna Pro windshield repair kit produces clearly better repairs.